upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On my left, we have the H2O MOP X5, a versatile cleaning solution. And on my right, we have the GorFanty Steam Mop, a 10-in-1 multi-purpose cleaner. Let's get this mop party started with some comparisons. First up, let's talk about the price. The H2O MOP X5 is priced at $169, while the GorFanty is a bit more budget-friendly at $139. Reviewers of the H2O MOP appreciate its versatility and ease of use, making it a great addition for deep cleaning. However, many also note concerns about its quality given the higher price. In contrast, GorFanty reviewers love its affordability and effectiveness, stating it saves time and hassle while being lightweight and easy to maneuver. It seems like GorFanty takes the prize for those looking to save a few bucks. Now let's talk functionality. The H2O MOP X5 is a 5-in-1 wonder, perfect for floors, carpets, and even your garments. Reviewers find the attachments versatile, making it great for everyday cleaning tasks. However, there are some complaints about the quality of the mop itself. On the other hand, the GorFanty boasts a whopping 10 accessories. Users praise its versatility and power, stating it's effective across a wide range of cleaning tasks. It's practically a cleaning superhero. Next up, let's steam things up with steam power. The H2O MOP X5 packs 1,300 watts of cleaning power, making it quite powerful. Reviewers appreciate its steam cleaning ability, although some have expressed concerns about its overall quality. On the other hand, GorFanty offers adjustable steam levels, allowing you to customize the cleaning power based on the mess at hand. Users love this feature, especially for tougher stains, making GorFanty a favorite for those with varying cleaning needs. Let's talk about heat-up times. The H2O MOP X5 is ready to go when you are. However, the GorFanty takes just 20 seconds to heat up, which many users appreciate as it allows for quicker cleaning sessions. Reviewers of GorFanty find this feature particularly beneficial, especially when they need to clean on the fly. It seems GorFanty wins this round for those who hate waiting. Now, let's discuss cord length. The GorFanty boasts a generous 23-foot cord, which allows for easy maneuverability without frequent unplugging. Reviewers rave about this feature, stating it makes cleaning much less of a hassle. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 doesn't specify its cord length, leading to some uncertainty about its reach. Users have noted this can be a bit limiting, especially in larger spaces. GorFanty takes the lead here with its long cord. Overall, the H2O MOP X5 receives mixed reviews, with users appreciating its versatility but often mentioning concerns about its quality and price. Meanwhile, the GorFanty Steam Mop is generally well received, with users praising its affordability, versatility, and effectiveness across various cleaning tasks. So who's the winner in this mop-off? If you want a versatile, all-in-one cleaning solution with a bit of a price tag, go for the H2O MOP X5. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with more accessories than a cleaning party can handle, the GorFanty Steam Mop is your best bet. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.